Yo, what up YouTube? It's a boy DJ 90 aka Mr. Keys aka DJ 90 Keys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah man, so today we'll be doing something different. We'll be doing a cook up. So we'll be making an Afropop beat like Major Lazer and DJ Maphorisa, a song called Particular. So we'll be making something like that, man. So without any waste of time, let's get into the video.
So I'll start with my melody. I have a piano right here. I'll be using a piano from Keyzone Classic. A preset, it's Yamaha. It's a free plugin. You can get it from Chrome or Google. So yeah, let's start recording something. Yeah, that's my melody. I'm going to quantize this one. So I'm going to add a string. I'm gonna add a string. So I have my string here from the string section. This is a free plugin that comes with FL Studio. It's found here on packs. Then you can go instrument, then orchestra. Here a string section. So I'm going to be layering this one with my piano. Yeah, from there I'm gonna be adding a sub bass. I'll add a sub bass. Here's a sub bass from Hypersonic. Then you can from Hypersonic, then from Sing Brass basses, then from there here it's it, sub bass. Then yeah, you can get it there. Okay, so now we're going to be dealing with drums. So we're gonna be making our drums, right? So I already chose my sounds. Let's just find some percussion. Yeah, we already have a bounce. Like, I mean, it's just simple as that. We already have a bounce, like a bounce, Afro vibe bounce. So, but then you know you can never make an Afro beat like without a shaker. Like it won't be an Afro beat, so to say. But then so let's just go ahead and put some shakers right there, you know. So I have this shaker right here. I'm gonna make it to the time. Okay. So this is how this is how it sound like with the shaker. The hook part, so the hook is more like, you know, it have that bounce, that 4-step kick. So this it sound like you know, yeah. Then from here I think let's just add another shaker just to give it more of the bounce. You know, I love this one. Let's make it to time and see what it does. Yeah, this one is cool. I have the third one also. You just put it all in there. Just put everything there until we get the vibe that we are looking for. So let me just, yeah. So I'm gonna be layering this, all of these shakers. So this is how it sounds like. Then when the drums comes in, like it's a vibe. Like we're gonna be adding a string, another string. You're gonna be using this purity. So it's a purity, from purity going to strings. I like to use this one, so we're gonna be using it. So let's go and add more of the African instrument, you know. So we're gonna be adding like a diggy vibe. I think it's a preset from Purity. So it's more like marimba and vibraphone kind of sound. So here is it. This is how it sounds. So it's a vibe. So we have sub bass, but then now let's go and add a bass, you know, like haha. Now we're going to see. So let's just add a bass and see. Think that will complete the video. Then I have my bass here. It's from Morphine. It's a free plugin that comes with Fruity Loops FL Studio. So you're gonna get it there. So I use like a bass Ibanez bass NAS. So yeah, that's my bass right there. So let's just be playing up the bass, you know. Guys, I'll let me add some things there and there, then I'll come and show you the full product when it's all done, you know. Yeah guys, I went on ahead and I finished the beat, and I mixed it, arranged it, and I changed some few things there and there. So this is what we have so far. The final product sound like this. Yeah guys, so that's how you make the afropop, this kind of afrobeat. So thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and share it with whosoever I want to share with. So thank you guys. I'll see you into another one.